Hi, this is Sean Nelson with the Social Media Sonar blog, and today we're going to look at how easy it is to syndicate your blog content to LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups is probably one of the best features on LinkedIn because it allows you to engage and interact with other people that you might not be directly connected to. Also, it's a great way to share value with those other members by sharing with them the content and the information that you're writing about in your blog. So we're at my blog right here, and what we're going to be doing is taking this post, can you track social media ROI, and posting that to several of my groups. Now with the blog, I've added a widget that's a share widget that in essence allows me to share blog posts with Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and a host of other networks that are out there. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where I have my share button. Now the share button, I added it really so other people could share my content with their networks, but I'm going to use it also to share with my network. So I click on this, and LinkedIn is the network that we're going to be sharing to, so I simply click on it, and that's going to open up an interface that connects with LinkedIn and gives us three options to share this blog. I can share it by posting it to my updates, I could post it to groups, or I can post it directly to individuals by sending this blog post to them directly. We're going to choose groups, and so here we are at the interface. I've got to type in my blog title. There we go. And then of course I've got to put my blog information, and they have this details box. This is where I'm going to post my blog content. Now when you post the content in, it's not formatted the way it was in your blog, so you have to come back and clean up your content. And so what I'm going to do is just add some spaces in here. Now if you have a blog post that has bullet points in it, you're going to have to find another way to designate those statements as bullet points, and I think using the dash is probably the best way to do that. And so I'm almost done here. You definitely want to make sure you don't forget this step, because if you do, your content's going to look really unreadable when people within LinkedIn groups starts looking at it. So I think I've got it all cleared up. Now what I'd love to have in here is the ability to bold my text, on the headers, but LinkedIn really doesn't provide any formatting options. So now that I've got my content, I need to select the groups that I'm going to post this blog to. So it's simple because all I have to do is just type in the letter A, and it pulls up the different groups that I'm a part of. So I'm going to select a couple of these groups, and I just simply work through the alphabet looking at the different groups that I want to post to. And let's pick one more. And we'll go to LinkedIn America. Now what I could do is I could simply post this to every single group that I'm in. In this case I'm just going to pick a couple of them. And now that I've got my group selected, I've got my subject line for my blog post, which is really the subject of the discussion post that's going to be created, and I have my blog content. One other thing to clear up. And then you just click the share button. Now LinkedIn's gone ahead and posted this to all of the groups that I selected. So if I click over to LinkedIn and I go to my groups, I should be able to click on the groups that I added it to and the contents there. And so there's my post. It's that simple, it's that easy, and now instead of having to go into each group and post your blog post one at a time, now you can simply choose all of the groups that you want to share your blog content with. It's a great way to syndicate content, and it should definitely save you some time. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.